There is nothing better than washing down some Indian food with a glass of nice, cool lassi. Today on Toasty Indian, making lassi, salted or sweet. Hi, Mom.
Hi, I'm going to teach you guys how to make lassi.
Okay.
I'm making today a salted lassi. You have to take 1 cup yogurt.
Store-bought Indian yogurt is totally fine, but not Greek yogurt. Or if you want to make your own, I do have the link below and in the pinned comments on how I make Indian yogurt, all fresh and all delicious.
It's a little bit of ice cube in it. And little bit of salt, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. You don't have to add too much salt.
So in traditional Indian cooking, a lot of people use kala namak, which is basically black salt. I am not a huge fan of buying one-off ingredients in cooking like kala namak unless you make a ton of Indian food, because you buy this one ingredient and then you hardly find ways to use it over and over again. So go ahead and use regular salt. It's still going to come out absolutely fantastic.
I'm going to blend it.
Okay, and you just blend it?
Yeah.
Did you put any water in this?
No, I didn't put any water because I put the ice cube in it. I'm going to blend it.
The better the blender, the frothier this is going to become. We don't want this to become like a freezy, slushy ice. It's not what a lassi is. You want it nice and frothy. And guys, here we are. Pour it in a nice, cool glass and enjoy. But wait, bonus recipe as I promised you guys in the beginning. So to make a sweet lassi, I will share with you, but do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below so my mom and I can continue making more of these awesome recipes and sharing them with you. So for your sweet lassi, go ahead and grab 4 tablespoons of Indian yogurt, just like before, but this time instead of salt, we will add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar instead. White sugar is typically what is used in India, so that is what we did here. And then go ahead and toss in about 4 little ice cubes. So like I mentioned, you don't want this to be a smoothie consistency. You want it to remain a little bit liquid. It needs to get nice and frothy. So don't put too much ice in here. And as always, the better the blender, the better this is going to come out. I'll put some recommendations for blenders I like down below as well. Go ahead and blend this, pour and serve. Salt or sweet, this lassi is perfect for those hot summer days. And check out my curry recipes that pair perfectly with this lassi. Enjoy!